Welcome back to another 2-minute or less Thursday. Let's get right into it. When it comes down to the kind of brushes you have and using a blow dryer, right? A lot of times, most people, if you're gonna be using, whether or not you have a nozzle or you don't have a nozzle, if you go and you press your nozzle and or your blow dryer into your brush as you're using it, you are going to destroy your brush. Plus the fabric, the hair in between, you're gonna cause a ton of split ends. So what you need to do is you need to hover that blow dryer right above your brush. If your bristles start looking all ski-wampus and they look like snaggletooth, that means you are like pushing your blow dryer into your actual brush. So, quick tip today, do not, I repeat, do not push your blow dryer into your brush, all right? That right there is gonna destroy your investment, number one, and then it's gonna destroy your hair, number two, or your client's hair, whatever it may be. Thanks guys for tuning in to another 2-minute or less Thursday. I'll see you in the next video.